What's up, gang? Been a little while since I've done a video. Been busy. I'm sure everybody's heard about the coronavirus. Not going to get on a whole lot of that. I think if you don't believe in it, well, I suppose everybody's entitled to their opinion, correct or incorrect as it may be. Anyway, be careful out there. Try not to spread ignorance or disease in any time, let alone right now. But we'll get into a couple things that I've been working on. I haven't had a chance to work on the black car the past couple weeks. Like I said, I've been busy. A lot of irons in the fire. We'll walk around the shop real quick and I'll show you some of the stuff that I'm working on here. So this is a customer's truck. I didn't do any of the mechanical stuff on it. He built it all himself. It's a 5.3 with the, I think it's the VS Racing 7875. There's no cover on it. Let's climb up on the lift and look. It's got a sloppy stage 2 cam, some manner of intercooler, a DFH boost controller. I'm not sure what kind of boost controller it is. I imagine it's probably something off Amazon. Not knocking it, just something off Amazon. That one seems to work pretty well. Unlike the one that I got looked like that. It's got a 4L80 in it, stock converter. I believe he's already got a 8.8 swapped in under the rear end here. All in all, pretty cool. Traction problems. Pretty cool truck. Pump gas, I think we hit 515 today. I didn't get any video of that. I was too busy trying to just get some work done. And obviously the dyno's turned off now, but they're pretty good. It's sitting 15.5, 16 PSI, and it did that pretty easily. It doesn't rev up. Doesn't rev up quite like the black car does. It's different cam, different setup. Obviously, I've got a L33 with different cylinder heads and LS1 intake and an LJMS cam that's, I guess, persona non grata in the sloppy world these days, but I don't worry too much about what other people think. I don't know what kind of heads this has on it. I suppose it doesn't really matter. It works. Makes decent power. I'm still tuning it. That's just made 515. Basically, I leaned it out. We raised the boost from 11 or 12 pounds of boost to about 15, 16, and it went from 435 to 515. And every time I lean it out, the boost comes down a little bit and the power goes up, and I haven't touched the ignition timing. I think that's at 14, 15 degrees. It's pump 93. We're not trying to set records and blow anything up. Unfortunately, my V8 project is still largely the same. I haven't had a chance to swap out the lifters yet. The engine's sitting exactly where it's sat for the past 2 months now, probably. However, some progress was made on the transmission. The pump's in it. All the gear trains assembled. One of these evenings this week, I'm going to try to get up here and finish that guy, get him sitting on the bench, and pull the heads off that and swap out the lifters. And really shouldn't take too long, but famous last words. Some of the things that are holding up progress, the gold car, the infamous gold car, that'll go on the dyno here soon. I'll put up a video of that. I got, you can see I got some plywood here. Call it a Corona project, but not really. I got to build some bee equipment. We're approaching peak bee season here, and as you can tell, like, the equipment's starting to stack back up in the shop, getting ready to go out. Excuse me, the seasonal allergies are getting me. That's a nuke box. Had to cut the grass today. That's more pollen than grass particulate matter on the leading edge of the old mower there. So it's been it's been kind of like that here lately. Anyway, sorry I hadn't had anything else cool to post. I'll get some stuff. I'll get some stuff in the next couple days. I haven't had much of a chance to spend any significant time in the shop here the past couple weeks, and it's you know, just life happens. Okay. Say hi. This is video. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing, Catherine?
What?
What are we doing?
Dynoing a car.
That's right. All right. Is stuff all good?
Who do we send that to?
We're not sending it to anybody. I'm going to put it on the internet in a little bit. Unless the truck blows up. Well, then it might go viral. Better not blow up. Dad pulled timing out, so hopefully it doesn't blow up. Alright, let's do this. Now we're ready. What's it called? Not supposed to shift. Okay, so HB Tuners fucked me on that one.
I want you to do that again, Daddy.
We'll do it again in a second. Yeah, no power, and that's obnoxious. Oh well, not sure what happened there.
Can I see?
But we got data. We're going to review the data. We don't care about the numbers. Alright, probably our last pull. Doing some timing, massaging. The old small rod